Hi class. Today we'll be going over the structure and general functions of neurons. Neurons are the basic building blocks of the nervous system and play a huge role in how our bodies move and react. Every neuron has three main parts that work together to send and receive messages. First, there's the cell body, which contains the nucleus and acts like the control center of a neuron. Then there's the dendrites, which look like tiny branches and receive signals from other neurons or sensory organs. Finally, there's the axon, which is a long, thin fiber that sends electrical signals away from the cell body to other neurons or directly to the muscles. Many axons are wrapped up in a protective layer, which helps speeds up these signals so your body can respond quickly. There are three main types of neurons, each with its own job. The sensory neurons, also called afferent neurons, carry information from your body's senses like touch, sight, hearing, or even positioning our muscles in certain ways, up to our brain and our spinal cord. This lets our brain know what's going on around us or inside our body. Then there are motor neurons, also known as efferent neurons, which send messages from the brain and spinal cord to your muscles and glands to make your body move or react. Motor neurons come in two types: alpha motor neurons, which control the skeletal muscles you use every day, and gamma motor neurons, which help regulate muscle sensitivity and tone. Last, interneurons are found only inside the brain and spinal cord. They act as messengers that connect sensory neurons to motor neurons, helping to process information and create smooth, coordinated movements. Imagine you're touching something hot. Your sensory neurons quickly send messages to your spinal cord and your brain, telling them about the heat. Interneurons then process that information and almost immediately send instructions through our motor neurons to pull our hand away from that heat. This whole process happens in less than a second, allowing us to protect ourselves from injury. This is all part of what's called our neuromotor system. The parts of our body and our spinal cord that all work together to control voluntarily coordinated movements by understanding how neurons work and communicate. We can better appreciate how our bodies perform everyday simple actions. Something as simple as picking up a pencil and using it to write something down is even complex things like playing sports or any type of instrument. Neurons are the foundation that allow us to move, learn, and interact with the world around us. Thank you for listening to this week's mini lecture.